Is it possible to use something other than gasoline? Can this machine run on something else? Here we have a range of flammable substances, from liquids and gases to solids. The carburetor in this car mixes gasoline with air. It combines them in a specific ratio so that the engine can ignite the gasoline. Right now we've cut off its gasoline supply. And no fuel is entering the engine. First I want to start it with gasoline. You can see the gasoline spraying in a fine mist. From the count, 3, 2, 1.
You need to remove it.
Right now, we manually supplied gasoline to the car and the car started. This method works. That's exactly how the carburetor operates as well. But for the second step, I want to use 96% alcohol. Let's see if this car will start or not. We have to pour the alcohol in artificially. Of course, I had already poured a little bit earlier. Pour a bit more alcohol in. If you notice, some alcohol comes out of this nozzle, and it smells like alcohol. The smell is less like gasoline and more like a hospital. Go ahead and try it one more time. Are you giving it enough gas? Yes, that is it. Give it some more gas. We can't really get the car running properly like this either. Trying to start it with this alcohol doesn't work because we don't know the right ratio of alcohol to air. The carburetor controls the ratio of gasoline to air. It adjusts it in such a way that the engine starts, doesn't run rich, and doesn't produce smoke. Right now we're doing this manually and we can't get it right. Either it smokes or it stalls or it runs rich, or the consumption is high or the RPM doesn't go up. So as long as we can get it started, that's fine. We're preparing for the next solution that we want to test. As for diesel, if you know, trucks generally run on diesel fuel, and they're called diesels because Rudolf Diesel designed their engine and all that. In the past, diesel engines used to run on powdered coal in a diesel truck. There's actually no ignition system at all. We have a glow plug here, but being able to start a gasoline engine with diesel and have it run with a spark at night, that's a different story. It's really thick. If you pour it on the ground won't light up. It's hard to ignite. It puts out the flame. It just passes through. That's what I wanted to say. Diesel is hard to ignite. It doesn't light up easily, and now you've come to purify diesels. The reason for that is simply because it's oil. So at this stage, we realize that these gases can't ignite a gasoline engine, because honestly, I can feel it. My hands are oily now too. The next solution is to use the gas from an air freshener spray. How dangerous is that?
I've got a bad feeling about this. Did you see that? Are you being serious right now?
Go on. Go inside. At this stage, we managed to start the car using the wood air freshener spray. And honestly, we're not scared at all. If you ever get stranded in the desert and don't know what to do, use the wood air freshener spray. In the next step, we want to test the fire gel, but the fire gel is solid, so you can't just use it as is. Unless, for example, the gas gets inside so it can ignite. Let me test the fire gel a bit for you so you can see how it works. This gel is very green, but it's burning. This is the fire gel. Go ahead with the fire gel. Music. I lit it. Did you like that? Go ahead, try it. Did you see what happened? The gel melted? It went in. Go slowly. Go ahead.
You have to pour it. I have the gas. You just...
Oh, okay, you're right. I have to pour it. I saw the gas. Wow, do you think you have it? Saw the gas. Since the gas is in my hand. Go, go! We were the first team in Iran to start a car using gel fuel. That's it! And now we've tested gasoline, we've tested diesel, we've tested alcohol, and we've tested this one too. This gas is LPG, it's the kind of gas they use themselves. This is exactly LPG, it's liquid gas, exactly LPG. So let's go test the gas. The gas will definitely ignite with the same gel fuel. The gel fuel is still being made. My hand suddenly froze solid. I looked down at my finger and saw it was completely frozen. I mean really frozen. Now it is absolutely burning. That is exactly what happens when you put your hand in like that.
On top of them.
One of the main reasons this doesn't light up properly is simply because it's so incredibly cold out here that it just freezes up, honestly. In the very next step of this process, I really want to try drying it off completely and then testing the glue on both ends. Go ahead and get started. In general, gases,
are easier to use.
I feel like the front part also has a gaseous state. Drying glue, a friend of mine, was able to start the engine and the car with it. And now, in the final stage, we've reached something as difficult as a task. Kerosene. Can kerosene do it or not? But unfortunately, kerosene couldn't start this car. Kerosene can't even ignite by itself. So that's the end of this episode, but I'd be happy if you subscribe. And make sure to turn on the channel's notification bell so you'll get notified when a new video comes out and stay updated.